So I'm going to give you a quick little snippet on a new platform called Webtalk. Webtalk is what I consider a hybrid combination of, you have LinkedIn, which I've been on since, I guess, 2013. How many people do I have? So if I go into my profile, so I've been in here for quite a while. I've got just over 4,100 people that I communicate with. Basically, I'm in disaster restoration, so I've work with insurance adjusters, uh, insurance brokers, subcontractors, trades, that kind of thing. So I've built up quite a bit of a network of people that I work with on a professional basis within LinkedIn. And I've been on Facebook, obviously, for quite a while. And this is typically your personal acquaintances, friends, or people you've reached out on Facebook. So what I've considered Webtalk to be is a hybrid of being able to communicate with your professional contacts, also your personal contacts. So you have the ability to break this in. So I've got, it kind of shows very similar to a Facebook feed and a LinkedIn feed. So you've got the ability to post, so you can change how you want that post to be broadcast out, either to all the people who you're connected with. You can post to just your professional contacts, your personal contacts, or you can do a custom-made type of a post where you can have people who have, it's an affiliate type of a system, so you can have people in your downlines that you want to communicate with, or just with you. So I think that is something that I've been wanting to find a way to really communicate with different levels of people that I'm connected with, because I don't want to post my personal stuff on LinkedIn. Like, there is, to a degree, how you want to post on LinkedIn to show you that you are a real person. Basically, you have personality, but LinkedIn is a business type of a platform where your professionalism is paramount, and you want to make sure that you don't really cross pollinate your personal stuff too much on LinkedIn. And Facebook, I feel like you really want to be careful how you post on Facebook as well. Depends on how you're marketing yourself. If you're going to be running a business online through Facebook, I do a lot of advertising on Facebook for affiliate stuff, as well as I'm in Builderall, which is a platform which builds funnels and landing pages and different things like that. So it depends on how you want to post on Facebook, but Facebook is typically where your friends and family and acquaintances see all your posts, unless you've got pages where you're strictly doing business. So what the Webtalk platform does is helps you segregate your different connections. And I think this is an awesome platform just in that aspect. But what they are also providing is, it's in a beta stage right now, that you can have an affiliate type of a program where you can get commissions based on the revenue generating part of the platform. So on Facebook, whenever somebody advertises, there's money being pumped into the Facebook business where it's you paid to advertise. So if you bring in people under you who eventually, once it's out of beta, is starting to do advertising and putting money into Webtalk, then what they're providing through the affiliate program is a 50% payout on any advertising that's run through the Webtalk program, the Webtalk platform. So you can kind of see how this could be a profitable opportunity if you're getting in with before the beta program stops. So I would look into getting into Webtalk fairly soon while it's still in beta. They are still going to offer the affiliate program, but it's going to drop down to a 10% payout whenever there's any revenue generated through the platform on individuals below you. So I'm going to leave a link below in the comments. And if you'd like to learn more about it, click the link and I'll get back to you. And there's also information on there that I think you'll find pretty useful. The owner or the CEO put in, once you get in there, look up the owner, the CEO, and he has a lot of information about what Webtalk is, what his vision of it will be. He's going to also provide how it's broken down for, like, this is where I think it'll be great for people coming from the LinkedIn environment of where they are recruiters or somebody looking to hire employees, that it has that LinkedIn type of system where you can contact people, inbox, message them. So there's the different levels of the features that you can get into. So if you scroll down onto his on his page, this is the CEO's page. So it's talking about the beta tester 5-tiered bonus system. It has the structure of how it's going to lay out after the beta program is ended and it's into a full-fledged social platform. It breaks it down to a 5-tier system and 10% on all your referrals. So, and this is for life. So you can see how it just duplicates very quick. It's going to kick me into enrolling for some reason. So anyways, I'm going to leave a link below and fill out your bio. And also what happens is that in order to receive the commission payouts, you have to have your profile built 100%. So that includes all your about me, some information on your previous employment or anything like that, basically like any type of profile, but also a recommendation from somebody that you know. That's what I was lacking. I had 85% of my profile set up and I was just requiring a recommendation from a friend. So I got that today and now my profile is at 100%. I don't know if it'll show on here. Yeah, profile is 100%. So if you get in there, message me and I'll get in touch with you and just make sure you got set up okay and everything is good to go. Thank you very much for watching this. I don't record videos very often, but I think I got to start doing this again because I used to do it for restoration a lot more, which was on a whiteboard, not a lot of screen share. So I'm going to make sure that I do a few more videos because I think this is pretty important. Always visual is a lot more, you get what we're talking about if we're doing a screen share. So thank you very much for watching. If this is on my YouTube channel, like and subscribe if you could, that would be great. And then you'll get a few more videos that I'm going to start putting out. Thanks very much and have a great day.